Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to be making banana cake, a healthy version. 1/2 cup of whole wheat flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons cinnamon, 2 ripe bananas smashed, 1/3 cup of almond milk, 1/2 cup of unsweetened applesauce, 3/4 cup of coconut sugar, 2 eggs, 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt. I'm using lactose free. You want to mix it now. Add your bananas to your big bowl. Mix it and it should look like this. You can add a hint of nutmeg. Put your oven at 350 degrees. Put in your bowl 8x8 dish. You want to bake it for 35 to 40 minutes. Should look something like this after cooked. Add your 6 ounce of reduced fat cream cheese, 1/2 cup of powdered stevia, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract or imitation. Mix it all up and it should look something like this. Now spread it on your cake and cut into 9 squares. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe, like, and comment for more videos. And don't forget to hit the bell notification button. Bye.